In this video, I will show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. Let's get started. If you want to delete your account right away, open your web browser and go to Telegram's official account deactivation page. Enter the phone number associated with your Telegram account, including your country code. Press Next button. Telegram will send a confirmation code to your Telegram app, not by SMS. Enter the confirmation code on the website, then press Sign In and select Delete Account. You may be asked to provide a reason for leaving, but this step is optional. Finally, confirm your choice to permanently delete your Telegram account. Press Yes, delete my account. Once your account is deleted, all your cloud chats, contacts, and account information are permanently removed. You won't be able to recover your account or its data. If you decide to use Telegram again later, you'll need to create a new account with your phone number. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.